It costs $0 to make thousands of dollars from Penxchain cryptocurrency airdrop. Making money from cryptocurrencies without a single investment has become a trend. If you are one of those who are scared of investing your money into cryptocurrencies, or maybe you have very little or no knowledge about cryptocurrency investments, or you like investing in cryptocurrencies but you still need to make some free money from cryptocurrencies, then I have a good news for you. Have you noticed that recently, most of the cryptocurrency airdrops that do turn out well don't stress its participants at all? The likes of Dox airdrops and the rest. Another interesting thing about Penxchain cryptocurrency airdrop is that it is limited to only 500,000 participants. 500,000 participants, that is too limited, and if you miss out on this opportunity, you are going to regret it. That is why you need to take this airdrop seriously. Before I show you how to participate in this Penxchain airdrop, let us take a deep dive into the Penxchain project. PenxFi or Penxchain Finance is a non-custodial, privacy-first decentralized exchange built on the Ton blockchain. Its mission is to provide secure, efficient, and completely privacy token swaps, tackling the biggest loopholes in DeFi and DEX, which are privacy concerns. Your transactions and wallet balances are often exposed, making you vulnerable to attacking and market manipulation. Capital efficiency. Many decentralized exchanges use outdated models, leading to poor utilization and high slippage. Scalability issues. High fees and slow transactions on popular blockchains make trading costly. So how does PenxFi solve this problem? Here are the key innovations. Using Ton's zero knowledge proofs, PenxFi ensures your trade remain completely confidential. Your wallet details and transaction size stay private even from the platform itself. 2. Dual exchange models. PenxFi combines two advanced trading mechanisms. The request for quotes system provides optimal pricing from market makers, eliminating slippage and front running. The concentrated liquidity automated market maker model lets liquidity providers focus their funds on specific price ranges, boosting efficiency and reducing losses. 3. Scalable and cost-effective. Built on Ton, PenxFi benefits from low fees, lightning fast transactions, and seamless scalability. 4. Cross-chain scalabilities. PenxFi supports multiple blockchains, allowing private swaps across ecosystems. Not only is PenxFi powerful, but it is also user-friendly. With an intuitive interface resembling a trading terminal, users can easily execute private swaps, market orders, and even advanced trading like limit orders. So now let us talk about the tokenomics and community incentive. The Penx token powers the PenxFi ecosystem. It offers governance rights for shaping the platform's future, staking rewards from trading fees, fee discounts for token holders, and liquidity incentive to encourage robust trading pools. The DeFi market surpassed 100 billion in total value locked in the year 2023. And with this focus on privacy and efficiency, PenxFi is well positioned to capture a significant share of this growing industry. Having learned about the Penxchain ecosystem, let me show you how to participate in this airdrop. To get started, use the link in the description of this video or in the comments below to get started. Once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this point. Then you click on launch game. The next thing you want to do is to click on earn, click on all tasks. As you can see, there is no unnecessary tapping. Like I said earlier, all you simply have to do is to come here, complete the tasks, and earn some rewards. So the first task on the list is subscribe to Penxchain YouTube channel. So you click on it and then you click on subscribe. I've already subscribed. Then you go back and you claim your reward. It is as simple as that. Then you close this and you go to the next task. Make sure you complete all these tasks. It's very simple, barely an inconvenience. The next thing you want to do in order to earn more is to click on friends. If you invite one friend, you are going to earn 5,000 tokens. If you invite a friend who is using Telegram Premium, you are going to earn 25,000 tokens. So just click on the copy button and get your referral link. Referral is not compulsory, but if you want to earn more, just go ahead and share the good news with your family and friends. The next thing you want to do is to click on wallet at the bottom right corner and you click on connect wallet. You can choose to connect your Tonkeeper wallet, Telegram wallet, Bitgate wallet and the likes. For the purpose of this video, I think I want to go for Tonkeeper. Then I'm going to click on yes. I can choose to disconnect this wallet by clicking on disconnect wallet. It is as simple as that. If you have watched this video to this point, then I want to say congratulations. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and turn on post notification. Once you are done with that, just introduce yourself in the comments below, then I'm going to officially welcome you to the family. For more opportunities like this one, do well to join our Telegram channel where we share lots of opportunities like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.